Hi friends, welcome to my first video of 2025. Can you believe it? A new year, a fresh start, and a world of possibilities ahead. I hope you've kicked off this year with excitement. Or if not, remember, any day is the perfect day to begin something new. This year, I've set myself a big challenge and I want to share it with you. For those who don't know me, my name is Ala and I'm a watercolorist and illustrator. But this 2025, I've decided to embark on a new journey, transitioning from traditional watercolor to digital art. It all started last summer during our trip to Los Angeles. I bought an iPad and Apple Pencil, mostly out of curiosity. At that time, I wasn't thinking about a massive change, but as I explored Procreate and dabbled with digital brushes, something clicked. Still, it wasn't an overnight transformation. I spent months experimenting, learning new techniques, and questioning myself. Should I fully commit to digital art, or should I blend both worlds, traditional and digital? It was tough to decide, especially since I'd already poured so much into creating watercolor tutorials and courses in 2024. That's where I'd love your input. What would you do? Stick to what you know, or dive headfirst into something new? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Now, here is where the story gets interesting. By November, after months of pondering and playing, inspiration struck. I discovered KDP books. For those unfamiliar, KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and it's an amazing platform for creating and selling your own books, including coloring books. I decided to channel my creativity into something tangible, my very own coloring books. My first idea was a Christmas themed coloring book, but here is a lesson I learned. November is a bit late to start a holiday project. Between drawing the designs, formatting the book, and getting it printed, it took over a month and a half. But I didn't let that stop me. While working on the Christmas book, I came up with a second idea, a basketball motivational coloring book. It was smaller in scope, but just as fun to create. Every single drawing in these books was hand drawn by me. I opted for a personal approach, creating the illustrations first and then formatting everything digitally. It was a labor of love, and seeing these books come to life has been one of the most rewarding parts of my artistic journey so far. There are plenty of YouTube videos where you can find out how to create all this process from the start till the end. So apart from drawing it on Procreate, you have to create the book or in Canva or in any other programs till you get the printing options of your book, and then you can publish it on KDP on Amazon. Now, here is the exciting part. If you're an artist or just someone looking for a creative side hustle, I encourage you to try this. Imagine your art in a book, bringing joy to others while also becoming a potential income stream. And if you're interested in how to create your own KDP books, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to walk you through the entire process in a future video, where I will explain my perspective on how to create these KDP books from zero to finish. Even if it looks really easy and nothing difficult, I would say that the easiest part for me was drawing every piece of art that I share in this coloring book. But obviously, the technical part that everything goes smooth wasn't the easiest one because there were a lot of changes to make each time that I uploaded my PDF files to Amazon and till the end to see these marvelous projects online selling on my Amazon KDP account. So here is to 2025, a year of growth, creativity, and new challenges. Whether you are an artist like me or someone looking to start a creative journey, remember every step counts and it's never too late to try something new. Now, let me take you on a quick tour inside the book. Each page is filled with hand drawn illustrations that I poured my heart into. For this Christmas book, you'll find festive designs like cozy winter scenes, cheerful ornaments, and the magical holiday characters. What inspired me and what amazed me a lot, it was the result of this work. The Amazon paper quality is high enough. You can use Posca colors to color these books and it won't transfer to another page. Still, if you are using some spirit markers, then you will need a paper to go on the other side that it is not transferring the color from one side to another. Instead, for coloring with colored pencils, it won't need this additional paper. But all the instructions on how to make use of this book I already share at the beginning of the book. So please feel free to check it and to see it. And if you would like to support my artwork and to buy this book, then please share your thoughts about it, your reviews. I will be super happy to see those because it will also help me to understand if this kind of work is enjoyable, if you like it. The links I will leave down below for this Christmas book and as well for the other book that I will share straight away. And here is my basketball motivational coloring book. I has it in two languages, in English and in Spanish. The quotes are different for English speakers and for Spanish speakers. This basketball motivational book features dynamic action shots, inspiring quotes, and fun. Sporty themes designed to spark creativity and energy. I wanted each drawing to feel personal and unique, so they are not just fun to color, but also inspiring to look at. I was thinking when I was doing this book, I was primarily thinking on my both kids who are playing basketball, and the first and main decision was that they enjoy these kind of books. This is why I purchased several copies for me that my kids can enjoy coloring those books too. So really fun way to play around with your kids too. Dear friends, with this video I want to wish you a great start of the year of 2025. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions regarding how to create KDP books, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and till the next time. Bye.